Some more problems with percentages. We will now look at the selling price and what it means, the word discount and sale price. So let's start with the word discount. Disallow means not allow, or disinterested means not interested, or dispassionate means not passionate, or discount means not count. Do not count. If the selling price is $150, there's a sale coming up and there's a 40% discount, means do not count the 40%. That's all that it means. If it costs $150 and it says do not count 40%, means take off 40% from the $150 price. That's all that it means. So 100% of the total price. Take away or discount 40% means remove 40%. So you're actually selling it for 60% of the selling price. You've tossed out 40%. That's what it means. So the sale price is going to be 60% of the selling price because you did not count 40% or you removed 40%. So if you look at the price of a tent is $150, the selling price is $150, and you do a discount of, say, 40%, conventionally you would just remove 40% from $150. 40% of $150 is $60. So you remove $60 from $150, so you reduce it to 60%, which is 150 minus 60, which is $90. That's what it means. So you can do that directly by just discounting by 40%. Let's do it this way. Here's the selling price, the total selling price, and you're going to take away or discount 40%. That means it's reduced to the whatever remaining percent is. So if the selling price is this much and you take out the discount, which is this much, then it'll be reduced to this much. And that reduced amount is called the sale price. And that's what we're trying to find. What is the price of this reduced amount? So how do we do that? Well, here it is. Tennis racket costs $180. Okay, that's the original price, the cost price. Now, during the summer sales, the racket was discounted by 30%. That means instead of 100%, you take out 30% from that, and so what is left is 70%. You discounted 30% off the total 100% price, and so you now take only 70%. It's reduced to 70% of the cost price. So you take 70% of the cost price. And that's how we find the sale price. The sale price is 70% of the cost price, which is $180, which means 0.7 times 180, and the answer is $126. Okay, we can also work our way backwards because we know that the sale price is this much, the blue bit, right? Because we took away the portion that is shown as the discount. This was the discount. So the percentage discount is this. And so whatever this bit is the percentage of the selling price. So this bit here, or this bit here, the sale price, is actually a certain percent of the selling price. The selling price, the original selling price was all of this. That's this and this. If you join these together, you get the original selling price. And this is a certain percentage of the selling price after you remove the discount. Knowing all this, you can actually work out this puzzle here. During the summer sale, a racket was sold at a discounted or sale price of $126. So you're selling this racket at a sale price of $126. This is after the discount. not before the discount. And the discount, which is, it means this 126 at this amount here. And the discount that was offered was 30%. Means this bit here is 30%. So that's 30%. And so this must be 70%, right? So if you look at the selling price, the percentage of selling price, it must be 70% of the entire selling price, this bit here. So 70% of the entire selling price is actually the sale price, isn't it? So if we show this to be what we need to find the selling price. We know that the selling price, 70% of the selling price has to be the sale price. That's this bit here. The 70% of all of this should be the sale price, which is this bit here. So if we write down the sale price to be 126, and we know 70% of the selling price. Now we don't know what the selling price is, but we do know 70%, which is 0.7. This is times the selling price is this. How do we find this? You know that? Do you recognize this? How do we find that? Something times something is this. Divide this bit. That means divide this by that, and you'll get this answer. So if you divide 126, if you divide the sale price by the percentage of selling price, you'll get the entire selling price, which is $180. There's your answer. That's how you figure this out. So let's look at it one more time slowly. This is where we started. Let's do it one more time. During the summer sale, a racket was sold at a discounted price of $126. That means the sale price was $126, right? This is the sale price. This is the sale price. And the discount is 30%. That means 30% of the total was discounted. This was removed. This 30% was removed. So this must be 70% of the total price. That's all you need to know. Because if you discount 30%, then 70% of the selling price must be the sale price. So this is 70%. So we can find the original selling price by simply finding out what is 70% of the selling price. And we know that 70% of the selling price is $126. Now that we know that, we can put the value over there, the whole selling price. We can find that out if we put this as 126. This is times, and this is 0.7. What is this? 0.7 times selling price equals to the sale price. So how do we find the selling price? Do you recognize that? All you do is divide the sale price by 0.7. That's the percentage. You divide these two, and you should get this answer, which is the selling price. So 126 divided by the percentage of selling price, and you'll get the total price. This is partial, that's the whole. So 126 divided by the percent, and you will get $180. That is the actual selling price, the original selling price of the racket. That's how much it was selling for before it was discounted by 30%. So go over this video one more time so you understand this, so that we can go to the next one and do some word problems. That'll probably set your mind at rest, because it looks a little complicated, but it isn't. It's quite straightforward. It just takes a little bit of reverse thinking so that you can think backwards and work it out both forwards and backwards. And that's called flexible thinking. So have a great day. Enjoy. Not to worry. We'll do more of it and get better the next time. Bye-bye.